talking about?
He's taking the runway for takeoff, and he's giving you his
Oh,
flight.
he's telling me his whole flight plan.
He's giving you his flight plan, correct.
Okay, got it. Oh, for the love. All right, last time today, fuel selector good, mixture rich, check your seatbelt. Carb heat will come out in a minute, we're a little ahead.
Going full stop?
Full stop this time.
Right.
The wife, now she's right, damn it. She's always right.
I know, them crazy women.
Oh, this is all on tape. Have you got this recorder going?
Too late, we already said it, we can't delete it. Now you have recorded that your wife is right. Oh my gosh.
Oh, what did I do?
It's public, man.
All right, there's the carb heat out. Light on. Gotta nail all the things. Huh. Oh, there's a dash in front of me. Sun's crazy today.
Airline traffic Bonanza 1903 Lima left crosswind runway 7 Airline.
I never called my downwind. Oops.
Airline traffic Skyhawk 1100. Left base, runway 7. Airline.
Airline traffic Bonanza 1903 Lima left downwind runway 7, touch and go Airline. Full stop Airline.
Airline traffic Skyhawk 1100, final runway 7, full stop, Airline.
$78, $77, $75.
There's the glide slope
70.
intercept. Dual power.
$66, $65.
Behind the power curve.
63.
Right on. Right on.
Hold it, 63, 62. There's 60.
Well, it's a better one. It was better.
Airline traffic Bonanza 1903 Lima turning left base, full stop Airline.
Airline traffic letter 6 off 10 miles to the south, can we go front 15 units during left downwind runway 807 Airline?